Hello YouTubers, this is an unboxing of my new lens that I got, and if you're reading the description you can probably already tell what it is, but I've looked all over YouTube and I've never seen an unboxing of this lens, so I figured that when I bought it I'd do an unboxing for you guys just so you can see what it looks like. So here we go. This is my first super telephoto lens from Nikon. Let's see. I actually had this overnighted so I could have it. And the UPS guy dropped it off probably 10 minutes ago, so the first time it's been opened. All this box in a box. Bear with me. More boxes. They packed this very well, that's for sure. So I debated between this and the 300 2.8. More versatility with this lens, so that's why I decided to go with this one. To each their own. Another box. At least you know it's very well packed, that's for sure. Ah, here we go. This is what we came for. Got your manuals. Alright, let's see here. Alright. This is your book bag, I guess you would say, that it comes in. Carrying case, whatever you want to call it. This is also a brief overview, so a little bit more than an unboxing. This is actually my first unboxing video that I've ever done, so bear with me. Comes wrapped in this nice case here. Wow. It's got little pads on the inside to hold it. There's your lens filter, drop in. Let's see, strap. And what we came for. This guy. The Nikon 200 to 400 VR, it's the VR2. And it's really heavy, it's a tank. Let's see here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, well, you can see that. But I'll zoom in here in a minute after I take everything off. Got this nice protective hood. Everything in here is really, really nice. It's padded and everything, but I guess that's what you expect when you're buying pro level lenses. More plastic for the hood here. this off. There's your hood. And this guy. Wow. I'll do a size comparison to my old lens just to kind of show you. That is a lens, ladies and gentlemen. I'll show you it in size comparison to what I was shooting with, which is this right here, which is my Nikon 70 to 200. I have it mounted on a D4. I don't know if you can see that. So little size difference there, I'd say. Can't wait to get this baby on there. Can't wait. Let's see here. Set this down here. Go grab my camera. But yeah, thanks for watching. Said I'll do a more in-depth review of this once I use it and everything. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I guess I can put this hood on before I go. Like I said, I haven't seen anybody unbox one of these on YouTube yet. I'm sorry, one that was in English that I could understand. There it is with the lens hood attached. And I guess I can go ahead and put this, let's see. I'll attach it to the camera real quick as well. Let's see here. Just so you can get a size comparison to see what it's like on the, like I said, any full frame body really. D4, whatever, D3, D3S. Excuse me. So that's the D4 with the 200 to 400. And the foot is actually very usable. I don't know, people talking about replacing it with a really right stuff or Kirk foot. I actually like this foot. I can get a grip on it. So, but there's just a brief overview unboxing of the 200 to 400. Very smooth, like I said. So I'll do a better review of this once I get out and use it for a while. So as always, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like it.